Hello, I'm David Ischek, a technical trainer at Vokera. In this video I'll be showing you the basics of using the Vokera BeSMART room control. If the BeSMART is connected to the boiler by OpenTherm, it is capable of bringing information about how the boiler is performing to the BeSMART room thermostat. It also offers some options for advanced configuration. From the main display, press Set and then the right arrow button twice. Info is displayed. Press Set. Use the right arrow button to scroll through the information available. Some models will not be able to provide all the information. T-Set is the heating flow temperature as calculated by BeSMART as necessary to heat the property. T-Flow is the current heating flow temperature. T-Ret is the current return temperature of the heating water entering the boiler. TDH is the temperature of the domestic hot water in the boiler. T-Flue, the temperature of the flue products. TES is the outside air temperature if an external sensor is fitted or if external weather conditions are downloaded from the internet. NODU is a percentage modulation of the fan between its minimum and maximum setting, an indication of the power output of the boiler. FLOR is the domestic hot water flow rate through the boiler in litres per minute. Hour equals the number of hours times 100 the boiler has operated in true condensing mode. 2,500 hours equals a strip down and service. We estimate that this will be between 4 and 7 years dependent on boiler operation. PRES may indicate system pressure. TFL2 is the current heating flow temperature of an optional second central heating circuit. This is not applicable usually. Press Escape to return to the main display or the Set button and then Right to adjust the next option. Thank you for watching. For more in-depth BeSMART videos, please view the rest of the series. To learn more about BeSMART, visit vokera.co.uk/BeSMART. If you are an installer and require training, call 01727 744 002 or email training@vokera.co.uk.